When it comes to construction projects in Noida Extension, it is crucial to have the expertise of professional surveyors. Surveyors play a vital role in ensuring that the design and layout of the project are accurate and aligned with the specifications. With their knowledge and skills, surveyors can accurately measure the land and determine its boundaries, which is essential for proper planning and execution of any construction project. In Noida Extension, there are several reputable surveyors who specialize in various aspects of construction and design. One such company is Scon Design, which has gained a strong reputation for its expertise in surveying and design services. Scon Design is a leading surveying company in Noida Extension, specializing in providing comprehensive solutions for construction projects. Their team of experienced surveyors uses advanced technology and equipment to accurately measure and map the land, ensuring precise design and layout. With their expertise, they can identify any potential challenges or obstacles that may arise during the construction process and provide effective solutions. Scon Design understands the importance of adhering to deadlines and budget constraints, making them a reliable partner for any construction project. One of the key services offered by Scon Design is land surveying. Their team of surveyors uses state-of-the-art equipment to measure the land accurately and determine its boundaries. In conclusion, hiring professional surveyors is essential for any construction project in Noida Extension. With their expertise and advanced technology, they can help streamline the construction process and ensure the success of any project. Whether it's land surveying or topographical mapping, Scon Design is a trusted name in the industry that can be relied upon for quality services. Professional surveyors' expertise is essential when it comes to construction projects in Noida Extension. Surveyors are essential in making sure the project's design and layout are precise and adhere to the criteria. For the effective planning and implementation of any building project, surveyors must be able to precisely measure the property and establish its borders. There are several trustworthy surveyors in Noida Extension that are experts in different facets of building and architecture. Scon Design is one such business that has established a solid reputation for its knowledge in surveying and design services. Leading surveying firm Scon Design in Noida Extension focuses on offering complete solutions for building projects. Their team of skilled surveyors properly measures and maps the land using cutting-edge tools and technologies, guaranteeing precise design and layout. With their experience, they are able to recognize any potential difficulties or stumbling blocks that can appear during the construction process and offer workable solutions. Scon Design is a trustworthy partner for any building project since they recognize the value of meeting deadlines and spending limits. Land surveying is one of the main services provided by Scon Design. Modern surveying tools are used by their staff of surveyors to precisely measure the area and establish its borders. For acquiring the relevant licenses and authorization from local authorities, this information is essential. Additionally,